Good morning. We are heading to Fish Bar to collect some stuff. I'm taking you guys with me. I haven't been there in a long time, so I can't wait. Mommy is here. Okay, so let's go Fish Bar. Thank you. Okay, bye. I'll show you guys what I got. I'm gonna open up that box and yeah, I'll show you guys. And Fish Bar actually have a lot of things. They have really nice things. They have breakfast every day. They also have lunch, and they have a full menu. Mommy busy checking out the menu right now. yeah, they have a full menu, and so you could always check out Fish Bar. Let's go home and I'll show you guys what is in this box. Okay, let me show you guys what is in this box. Oh, yummy, yummy. Uncooked shrimp, easy peel. Good mahi mahi patties. Uncooked shrimp. So this one has the shell on, and this one is peeled and deveined. And then I have this raw shrimp, frozen raw shrimp. Oh, very nice. So guys, I'll be cooking up a storm. It is actually, we're heading into Easter weekend, and stay tuned for lots of fun cooking videos.